let's solve this question. Okay, now it says 4 plus root 8 over 4 minus root 8, all taking the square root of. Now, if you see this question, the first thing you have to recognize is that it's an irrational question. If it's an irrational question, you have to rationalize. So let's just call this thing inside here. So excluding the square root sign, let's call this thing x. And what we have here is that this is equal to square root of x. So let's find x, for example. Let's find x and then take the square root of it. So we have that x now will be equal to 4 plus root 8 over 4 minus root 8. Now let's rationalize this. Rationalizing the denominator of a solid simply means multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. What all this big grammar means is just I'll multiply here by this, but I have to change the sign in between. So I'll multiply this by 4 plus root 8, and I'll multiply this by 4 plus root 8. Basically, the basis of this is that this will take this and it's just still the same thing. So x now will be equal to 4 plus root 8 plus times 4 plus root 8 means 4 plus root 8 all raised to power 2, right? Now, 4 minus root 8 times 4 plus root 8 reminds us of difference of two squares. So this means that this is equal to 4 squared minus root 8 squared. Hence, x now will be equal to 4 plus root 8 all squared all over 4 squared is 16 minus root 8 squared is 8. Hence, x becomes equal to 4 plus root 8 all squared over 8. Now, I'll bring it back here. So I say we've gotten x. Now let's take the square root of x, which is what the question is basically asking us. Square root of x now will be equal to square root of 4 plus root 8 all squared all over 8. Now this is equal to 4 plus root 8 all squared square root is 4 plus root 8. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Now, to get the final answer, which is in the rational form, I will rationalize once more. So I'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate, but now let me just use multiply by root 2 and multiply here by root 2. Okay, just to take this side and multiply here and here since there is no plus sign in between. This will become equal to 4 times root 2 is 4 root 2 plus root 8 times root 2 is root 16 all over root 2 times root 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. This is equal to root of 16 is 4. Okay, so if root of 16 is 4, we can easily factor out 4, and then we have root 2 plus 1 all over 4. 4 here will take 4 here, and then we are left with root of 2 plus 1 to be the answer to this given problem. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.